as a career. Talking about data science courses, we've all seen the advertisements behind rickshaws and buses. They are literally everywhere. But which course is best suitable for you and what should you opt for? Let's go ahead and talk about all the different kinds of courses available. The first type of course is a traditional online course. This type of course has made it really easy for aspirants who cannot afford to spend time and money on classrooms and institutions. Talking about the pros, most of these classes are live and interactive sessions, so it gives you a classroom feeling. Also, they have a good course content and resources, so you can even do them on the weekends. But since it's a business, almost everybody can take up these courses and get certified. Also, they are very general when it comes to their course material and not really industry specific. You also have to be self-motivated, as the guidance in these online courses is usually limited. Moving on to the next type of course, massive open online courses. One might think, aren't they similar to online courses? I did too. Let's go ahead and find out how they aren't. Talking about the major differences, massive open online courses are open source and are usually free unless the aspirant wants a certificate. The lectures are all pre-recorded. It is a self-paced, customized learning path where you can choose which topic you want to learn about. Such courses are also open-ended with no due date. For example, search giant Google has its free AI lessons called Learn with Google AI. The company focuses on bringing machine learning education to the masses for free. The course also includes a machine learning crash course that provides exercises, interactive visualizations, and instructional videos that anyone can use to learn and practice ML concepts. So if you're someone who is curious about a particular topic or wants to study it in depth, then this becomes a perfect course for you. Moving on, a full-time college degree or a classroom approach. The major reasons behind the popularity of this form of education is the fact that the quantity of content is significantly vast, the guidance that the students receive from their faculties, the networking among their classmates, and as well as the recognition of a degree. Another major advantage of the classroom format is the hand-holding that students get compared to online courses. If you want to take your career completely towards data science and you are ready to spend a significant amount of time and money for the learning process, then classroom format might be a good option for you. Coming to the next one, a professional certification. A professional certification is a distinction or a designation given to a person who clears an exam and has proven his skill. For example, a chartered data scientist, or a Cloudera certified associate data analyst, or a SAS certified data scientist. I will provide the links to these in the description box below. A professional certification program is provided by professional bodies, and these are not supported by any training. The candidate need not invest any time in getting trained first to earn the certificate. The candidates can prepare on their own for a professional certification exam. If you're someone who excels in a particular skill, then you can take up the appropriate exam and get recognized. Coming to the last type of course, executive programs. Executive educational programs are typically offered by universities or private institutions. These are university-backed certificates provided at the end of a program to participants who successfully complete the requirements of the program. Many executive programs have enlisters that includes employees sponsored by their companies as well as individuals who are self-enrolled. Some clear advantage of executive programs over short-term programs are broader coverage of topics, classroom training and online training, and also a university certificate, which is very valuable, especially if the university is top ranked for data science and related fields. This option is suitable for aspirants who are already working and want a reputed degree to support their career. With that, we come to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Analytics India magazine and follow this segment for everything in the world related to data science as a career. See you soon. Bye.